So hello and welcome back to another video. So today I'm hoping to fix an issue that it kind of come about around 6 months ago, and our heater element started making a bit of a noise. Gosh, bloody steering locks on. There we go. There you go, you can probably hear it now. So I've done a bit of research on it. I was actually not planning on fixing it till it broke, but I've done a bit of research. It turns out that you might actually be able to fix it, oil it up, and get it running sweet again. So we're just going to try that. You can probably hear it now. It's just you can hear the bearings like catching. So I believe what we do is we have to pull off all the trim down here and pull the unit out, clean the unit up, put it back together, and hope everything is sweet. So yeah. So here we have it. This is the blower motor. It took a little bit longer to remove than I thought it would, but let's go clean it up. First impression is it doesn't look that bad, but we'll go clean it up. It doesn't sound that bad. We'll go clean it up in the workshop and see where we get to. So here we are in my very, very cluttered workshop. Let's just get some lights on so we can see what we're doing. Right, let's see if we can dismantle this a little bit further. There we go. Just got to be extremely careful not to break anything. The last thing I want to do is be forced to buy a new one, because I actually end up making this one worse than it was. Okay. Alright, I'm actually just struggling to find things a little bit at the minute. We're in the middle of remodeling our house, and I've just got bits and bobs everywhere. Right, let's try cleaning this up and see what we're doing. Yeah, so I couldn't actually get that connector out, but I've got it loose enough. A few chunks of grime, but nothing strenuous, ridiculous. That's the WD-40. Oh, lithium. And then we'll just continue to spray it down a bit by bit. Hopefully free whatever was up in there. Yeah, you can feel there's a little bit of resistance on it. Does feel a lot better though. Can't hear anything of what could be creating that noise. I think that's probably about good. Right. Now get the thing back together without snapping that very short cable. That's so weird. That is weird. So these tabs are actually like rubber feet. So as such, they don't push back in the easiest. I guess that's to stop the vibrations. All right. Right, so they will all seat again. They just need a bit of working. There we go. That is back together. It is spinning better than it was. We'll just give it one final spray down and we'll go get it reinstalled. Oh, that is a million times better than it was. So I couldn't hear anything on it, so I'm just going to clean the box out that it goes in inside the van, because maybe there was something in there that it was just catching on. But let's go see. So here we are back in the van. I'm just going to clean out the box it goes in. I'm going to reinstall the fan, and then before we put all the trim back together, we'll give it a quick test, see if we fix the issue. I'm just going to put a couple of the screws in to just check it's working, and then we'll come back and fix the rest in place. Alright, there we go. Let's give it a quick test, see if it's fixed. Fingers crossed. That's fixed the issue. There is no noise coming off that fan. Let's check again. There we go. There we have it. We've fixed that issue. So let's get it all back together. So there we have it. In about 20 minutes we was able to successfully fix our blower heater and have it sounding a whole heck of a lot better. Now it is highly likely that this probably won't last forever and it'll probably need doing again in 6 months, but that's something I can live with. When you know, it's a good time while you're down there. You can also change out your pollen filter or your cab filter, whatever you want to call it. Now I've not done that today because it's only recently been done when we last serviced it. But you know, if I have to do it every year, I can change out the pollen filter and clean that fan and oil up that fan. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, brilliant.